The Doc is In is sponsored by Amada Senior Care.
Fox 56 News Chief Medical Contributor Dr. Ryan Stanton is with us in studio.
This morning he's focusing on a device that Krista and I really gravitate to in the kitchen. It's the microwave.
So this one is motivated. If you haven't seen last week's segment, available online, so you can check it out, because we were inspired by the pots and pans. And Krista was very quick to let us know that the extent of her pots and pans and kitchen utensils was a microwave. So it is just like college. So we're just continuing that tradition. So really, what is this safety associated with microwave ovens? That's a great question. You may be pleasantly surprised by this. So we're talking about microwave ovens, one of the most popular ways to get our food nice and warm and ready for action. So really, is it that safe? Well, microwaves are actually everywhere. It's a type of electromagnetic radiation, a non-ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiation is associated with cancers. Non-ionizing is not. Win one, Krista. It's also used for a lot of our transmission of signals, such as this TV signal to towers. So making sure it's everywhere. So it really is about strength and proximity with regard to what we're trying to do with it. With a microwave oven, a very concentrated electromagnetic radiation. And guess what? It's safe. In fact, there you go. In fact, here's win number 2 for Krista. It's actually shown to maintain many of the nutrients better than things such as boiling or steaming. Now, the thing to keep in mind here, Krista, is that you cannot or should not microwave plastics. Because of the heating of plastic items, especially those that are not microwave safe, there's increased risk of release of chemicals that may be bad for you. Just think about the BPAs with water bottles, things like that. So making sure that, one, if you have a food container, cooking container, that you do not microwave it unless it's considered microwave safe. And when I say microwave safe, it's microwave safe for now, because we haven't discovered what chemical may be leaching out of it. So my recommendation is using glass and microwave safe containers to use that as well, because the interesting thing is it is overall safe. It's going to do a good job. It's actually going to, I think you're pleasantly surprised. It's the one time I'm bringing good news about a cooking item to what we're seeing here. So there you go.
My habits will never change. I'm making microwave meals for the rest of my life now.
And then you can wash it down with a diet soft drink.
Shh, don't tell him that. Don't tell him that.
Okay, lost one for both. You get, you're going to bring back the diet sodas. Just, I bring good news, Paul, and you bring us back down with diet sodas.
A reminder, though, don't put aluminum foil or a fork in there.
Aluminum foil, aluminum, and there is one last thing about that. You know, one thing that was used to see, if you were old enough that you saw the old signs about pacemakers, cardiac pacemakers, things like that, those are actually very safe. That had to do more with the pacemaker, and the electromagnetic radiation would potentially reprogram the pacemaker. Not ideal. That's actually that technology. It's all safe now, so you can be around there. If you've got a pacemaker, don't worry about making a little popcorn.
Interesting. All right. I'm still not going to camp out in front of a microwave.
Well, you should. You shouldn't stay really close. That's a good point.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like to look at your food getting ready?
Okay. Krista, you're about to lose points again.
All right. We'll be right back with the final hour of our newscast after the break.
You're watching Fox 56 News. Our home, your news.